Hey world, good afternoon. I'm here in Pangasinan, Hundreds Island, here in Pangasinan. So we rented a boat. It costs about 1,800 pesos. And look at the view. Look at that view. Got my guy C right there. So we about the island hop, and we purchased our own lunch. And here's the boat that we rented, 1,800 pesos. Excuse me. So I'm about to hop in this shit real quick. Yeah.
Paki-flip po yung ano natin.
Best?
Light base po natin.
Oh, sige po.
Mandatory.
I'm in the boat. I got my life vest. And we ready.
Ang harap daw dito eh.
Huh?
Sabi ni Kuya dito daw ang harap.
Oh, really? Oh, shit.
Yeah. This is the front.
Oh, this is my guy Kuya. It's, I guess,
Here. Oh,
taking the anchor. There you go. I was right.
Oh,
All right. I'm ready.
very bad.
I guess you're about to turn it up.
Yeah.
You're about to spark it up. Let's go. Okay, so we landed in the first island. So supposedly 7 island tour, and this is my view. That's my boat, and this is the view of my surroundings. Beautiful. This man-made bridge is beautiful. It's a little shaky, but can't complain. Look at the view. Beautiful view. Look at that. All throughout. And that's the boat again. All right, let's go back. Wow. Wow. I hope I don't drop my phone. All right.
O, lahat po kayo apat. Take a picture.
Yeah. Game.
Game. Libre lang, ma'am. Dito.
Who phone you using? You got a phone already?
Give him your phone too, bro.
Hi.
Look at the view. Beautiful view. Beautiful view. Wow, look at this. Makes me want to jump in the water. First impression of the island is pretty good. Water seems to be clear. Sun is beaming hot. Beautiful. And then we move. This looks like the observation deck.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Wow, more views. Man, Philippines. Let me tell you something. Philippines is beautiful, okay? Now, I know everybody can't afford it, but I know for a fact it's possible for you to reach here if you put a little bit on the side for a rainy day. Man, look at this view. It's the experience that you are chasing, okay? The experiences, the memories. That's all. Anything is possible. You heard me?